How to fix Instagram DM glitch. Hey everyone, let's get started. So if you are facing this DM glitch on your Instagram, the first solution would be to check your update. So for that, open your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure that it is up to date, and if not, click on the update button. This is one way to solve your problem. However, if it is still causing error, long press your app and then click on App Info. After that, you will land to this settings page. From here, you have to select on storage and cache. And now click on clear cache. After this, you can check if the issue has been resolved, or you can also try uninstalling and installing the app again. Or what you can also do is you can go to your Instagram and switch back to the professional mode. After doing that, you have to switch back again to the personal account. So do try these options, and this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.